Hi everyone, I'm Morad Oshitesh. I'm a full stack Java Angular developer, and today I'm excited to share the progress of a project that's been keeping me busy. It's a food delivery application designed to streamline how restaurant and customer interact. Let's dive into how we are building it. So, our goal is to create a seamless food ordering ordering experience from browsing menus to placing orders. Everything should be intuitive and efficient for our users. So here is a quick walkthrough of our system architecture. At the heart, we have an Angular-based UI that interacts with our backend. We have an API gateway to our microservices. We have a restaurant listing microservices that handle all restaurant data, including menus and locations, and a lot of things. Secondly, we have a food catalog microservices that manage detailed food item data and about our order microservices. It process all orders and it's backed by MongoDB for persistence. And the last one is a user info microservices that takes care of users' profiling and preferences. And also we use Eureka for service discovery, making it easy for services to communicate efficiently. For security, we integrated Keycloak to manage authentication and authorization. So for our development is supported by modern tools, Docker, Dockers and Kubernetes streamline our deployment, and Jenkins automate our CI/CD. Trello keeps our tasks organized, and IntelliJ is our IDE by choice. So, okay, after that brief overview, let's take a quick look at application in action. Uh, this will give you a clearer picture of what we are achieving. Okay, here we have a sign-in page that makes users to connect to his profile. Okay, we click in sign in, then we forward to a Keycloak sign-in page. So let's enter our credential. And, let's sign in. Boom, our application is worked. Okay, we have this restaurant which is near me. Okay, let's choose Primus. Okay, order. Then we have a menu. We can add a lot of other food in our menu. Okay, let's take Poke Spicy and Poke Original. Then we click in Checkouts or go to Checkout page. And, this is our order summary. We can place our order. Okay, if we are confirmed that, okay, place order. Boom, our order is placed. That your order has been successfully placed. So then close it. So just I want to share with you some technologies that I use to build my project. So I used Swagger. That makes me to check my endpoints and use my functionality as create, delete, and all my project functionalities. Uh, After that, we are using Jenkins. That makes me to automate my building and deployment of my application. So I have here for stage one for building my application using Maven. And after that, we build a Docker image. Then we push it in a Docker Hub. After that, we use Kubernetes to deploy my application. So for managing my tasks, I used Trello, and I try to respect the agile methods. So this is my dashboard, my tasks dashboard, and let's see some coding, some part of codes that I respected entire architecture. We have a controller, we have entity and services that contain all the business logics and all of that. So also I have DTO and mapping. Okay. Also, I respected solid principles in Java for creating a clean code and clear code. So I think that's all. And for that's for Angular. Thank you for watching. I'm eager to bring this project to completion and would love to hear your thoughts or feedbacks. Please feel free to comment below and don't forget to like and share this video if you found it interesting. Bye bye.